Check it out. I'm in my first truck stop. Let's check it out together. Oh man, it's freaking amazing. They have everything. All the things you're gonna imagine. Wow. Cool. Those are nice. Won't be wearing that. Check out the neon. Check this out. What about lights? And those are some lights for your truck. So you get entertained. Wow. Cool. And those are your showers. Big showers. Amazing. Well, your lights are done. Wow. It's a lot of lights. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be amazing. I'm videotaping it for my wife so she can see this is a big truck stop. Got everything you need, baby. Wow. CB, 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 CB. And I tell you, and cool. That's a trucker's life. Huh? Signing out, baby. Your husband at his very first truck stop. Love ya. Bye. See you when I get back home.